project model of power generation from the waste heat. So at the first input side we attach one of the heat blower. It considered to be one of the heat source. Main purpose of this heat source, it continuously release the waste heat. Its application is used in industry and automobile sector also, which continuously run the machine and release the waste heat from its pipeline. So we have to demonstrate this type of model for heat source. After that, whatever the heat we get, it directly strike to the thermoelectric modules. Okay, this is thermoelectric module in which it consists of the Peltier, aluminum heatsink and exhaust fans. After that, whatever the heat we strike to this Peltier module, it converts into the electricity. Now that electricity goes to the DC motor with turbine. Whenever the heat continuously supply, the DC motor continuously rotates and turbine is moving. After that, the same amount of electricity is stored in the battery, and this is the one power generation monitor unit. So in this unit we can monitor the voltage, whatever the voltage we get, and this is at the output of the side we connected the inverter module with AC load, and this is what temperature sensor we attach. So it measures the temperature from the input. Now let's see the working of this project. Now we have switch on the control board. So as you see, the voltage is around 00. Okay, now the machine is completely off in condition. Turbine is also off. So let's power on the heat blower. Instead of heat blower, you can use any heat source which continuously supply the heat. So we have just used the heat blower. Now the heat blower is continue on. Now let's see. So in this way the turbine is continuously rotate. So at the output of the side, the temperature also get rises, as you see on temperature sensor. And at the input of the side, the voltage right now, let's attach this terminal to this so we can monitor the voltage now, is around 12.63. Initially it is 0.00. Now it's goes to 12.63. After that, whatever the energy we obtain, it converts we use the inverter module which converts the DC to AC. So at the output of the side we use the AC load. So this is how we can generate the energy from the waste heat. So this is how the project works.